In this video, I'm going to show you the 4 steps on how to fix the critical error on a website. Most of the time, this error is caused by incompatible plugins or website themes or PHP time issues. So if you watch the video until the end, I'm sure that you are going to see the solution that you are looking for. If you are new, we talk about business tools and social media marketing tools. So remember to like the video and subscribe so that you don't miss any more other updates. So without wasting the time, let's jump in the video and let's just get in. When you get this issue, I know that you are unable to log into your WordPress website admin. So we are going to fix this issue by accessing our cPanel. So cPanel looks like this. So you have to log into your cPanel and locate where there is file manager and click on the file manager. And from the file manager here, we are just going to find public HTML. So click on the public HTML and scroll down and click on the WP content. And from here, we are just going to first see if the plugins are just causing this problem. So you can just disable all the plugins, or you can just go one by one plugins and see if they are just causing the problem. So in my case here, I would just first rename disable all the plugins. So to disable the plugins, you just have to rename it something you want. For example, I'm just going to rename it off. And this is how you disable the plugins, and just go back to your WordPress website and see if this has fixed the problem. So if this has fixed the problem, that means that there are plugins that you have installed which is not compatible with your WordPress. So you just have to uninstall this plugin, and then you can just activate other plugins, and then you have to remember to enable this plugin by just renaming back to what it was before. So rename the file again, and if this has not fixed your error, then you'll have to proceed with more different ways. So if this has not fixed your error, then you'll have to proceed with other different ways. So now that the plugins are not the problem, so let's just see if the problem is within the theme. So click on the themes, and from here you are just going to rename all the themes one by one and see if this will fix the problem. So click off and rename the file, and you just go back to your WordPress website and refresh and see if this has fixed the problem. So if this has fixed the problem, then you have to uninstall that theme that you have installed. Then you can just install another theme. So if this has not fixed the problem, you have to rename this again to enable it, and then you have to go back by clicking up one level, again up one level, and from here we are just going to search a file called wp-config.php. So right click on it and click edit again, and scroll down at the bottom. So here we are just going to add another line of code here. So I will leave this line of code in the description. So just copy this code and paste it in here and click save changes. What this code will do, it will just increase your PHP memory limit, and then go back to your WordPress and check if this has fix the issue. So if this has not fixed the issue, then you'll have to go back to your cPanel and click on the cPanel, and from here the next step, we are just going to change the PHP version. So just search for, in the search bar, search for PHP version and click select PHP version. Alright, so here you just have to choose the PHP version. So my current PHP version is 8.2, so I'm just using the updated PHP version. So for example, some people have maybe like 7.4 or 8.0, so you just have to choose the current PHP version which is updated. So then select the new PHP version and click apply and go back and see if this has fixed your problem. So if this has fixed your problem, then that means that your PHP version has been causing this problem. So if you continue to see this kind of problem, then you have to comment in the comment section and we will see if there is a way that we can help you. And if you find this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and let's meet in the next video, and thanks for watching.